As we have gone through the details about how to read data from files using Pandas, then process using Pandas, and then write back to files using Pandas, now it is time for us to explore how to make sure Pandas can be integrated with databases. We'll be using Postgres as an example. In that process, we'll first see how to set up Postgres database on Windows or Mac. Once the Postgres database is set up, we'll also go to the details about what all libraries are required along with Pandas so that we can use Python as programming language and then interact with the Postgres database using Pandas. Once we go to those details, then we'll see the whole lifecycle where we'll be reading data from files and then process, then write to Postgres using Pandas. Also, we'll go to the details about how to read data from Postgres using Pandas just to ensure we are not only familiar about how to write data into Postgres using Pandas, but also how to read data from database using Pandas. Keep in mind, even though we are using Postgres as an example for database, the same approach can be followed with any RDBMS database such as Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, so on and so forth. The process will remain same, only the database can be different in those other databases. That being said, Postgres falls under RDBMS. Whatever databases I have mentioned also fall under RDBMS. When it comes to other type of databases such as NoSQL and all, the process could be a little bit different. So without wasting further time, let's get into the details about how to integrate RDBMS databases such as Postgres with Pandas.